welcome to vlog 11. Oh my gosh, time goes so fast when you're having fun. I am very excited about this vlog, I'm not gonna lie. So basically, I'm just packing at the moment because I go to Vietnam with Kiehls in the morning, and honestly, this has been a trip that I've been excited for a very long time. It's where the ingredients are picked for some of the new Kiehls products, and I'm just so excited to go and see where the ingredients are kind of collected from, to see the beautiful place that is Vietnam. It is about 2:30 and I'm being picked up at 6 AM. So I should probably get at least a few hours sleep, and then I'll be able to sleep on the plane a little bit tomorrow as well. It's going to be a long flight, but it's going to be so worth it, and I'll see you on the flip side. What's in your bag, Koshal? Oh, my glasses! Woo! This is so cute. Little room tour. So that's my bed. This is the bathroom. So lovely. Hiya. Honestly, this feels like a dream to be in Vietnam. So the last time I was in Vietnam, it was about, let me think. I actually came here about 4 years ago with Buzzy. So we went on like a backpacking holiday together to Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam for a whole month, and it was insane. I loved it. But we went to Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam for a few nights, and then we're in Hanoi right now. And when I came here with Buzzy a few years ago, we only stayed here for like 2 nights, and we didn't get to explore much other than just, we got mopeds and went around like the city and the crazy roads. I can't wait to explore Vietnam more with Kiehls this week. I feel so lucky. And while my bath is running, I'm gonna christen the bed. Best feeling ever. Oh my gosh, my skin literally looks so greasy. I've sprayed it with about 1 million layers of the hydration mist by Kiehls, which is life. It smells like a spa and I'm obsessed. But yeah, I mean, my skin's probably loving me right now, but it does look a little bit greasy. Okay, so I've just done my makeup, and I think I forgot to tell you that I dyed and cut my hair. Well, I didn't, my 2 best friends did. Basically, they spent hours getting like a few of my little keratin bonds that were left in my hair out, and then they dyed my hair and cut it. Even though they're not hairdressers, they did an amazing job. I mean, it was desperate times really, because I couldn't really travel anywhere to get it done properly. Oh my gosh, it's just completely frizzy right now because I've taken it out of the bun and brushed it. But I am actually quite pleased to be back on the short side. It was like down here, so Rax took about 2 inches off it, I think. But yeah, let me know what you think. Everyone that voted for short hair, you're gonna be happy because I got short hair. I also have to run through a few products that I'm wearing, because look at this lip combination. This lip combination is actual life. So I put on Stone Lip Liner by MAC, followed by NYX Lip Lingerie in Seduction, and then followed by NYX Butter Gloss in Praline, or Praline, however you say it. Absolutely living. And then these lashes are Lily Lashes in Doha, and the highlight is the MAC Hyper Real Glow. I just love that palette so much. But right now I'm gonna order some room service, get some breakfast. It's like 9 AM here at the moment. We arrived here at like 5, so I've had a few hours to just unpack, do my makeup and rest a little bit. So I'm gonna eat and then meet the girls down in the lobby for 9:30, go exploring, then we've got lunch. No, thank you. Nisha's ready. Assuming positions, everyone. About to drink the Craig David's, which is a tequila shot followed by a pineapple shot. Wow, my life just changed. Just there and then, it just changed. I'm a new person. I'm ready for life now.
What do you think?
Keep going.
Well and truly. Cheers, Craig David. Thanks, hun. All ready for our first little night, aren't we? We've got Anna here, we've got Ahmed here. The crew are up front. I'm not gonna lie, I just lost this camera.
No, they're there,
and found it again. Thank goodness. If you know me, you know that I lose everything. Jamie's little Tropicana, Nisha's little emoji outfit, Anna's chic whiteness. ASOS. And then Kosha, wow, do you think you're the star of the show or something? It's joking. Seriously, that is so beautiful, honestly. She's like a golden Polly Pocket.
And welcome everyone who has come to Vietnam. I was born in Vietnam.
Morning beauties! Oh my goodness, yesterday was such an insane introduction to Vietnam. Honestly, it was crazy. The hustle and bustle in the streets was mental. But today we are off to a beautiful farm. We're being flown by helicopter, which is crazy. And we're actually gonna go and see where the ingredients are picked for their brand new mask, which is beautiful. I'm about to go down to breakfast, meet the girls. A couple of products I'm wearing on my face today. I'm wearing Softly Rockin' by MAC on my lips, which is a liquid lipstick, and the lip liner is Spice by MAC, and the lashes are Lily Lashes in Miami, and this highlighter is the butter bronzer today, butter highlighter by Physicians Formula in Champagne. Running out of breath. Also, something I've been obsessed with is this cactus flower and Tibetan ginseng hydrating mist, which is of course by Kiehls, and honestly it smells like a spa, but it's so hydrating. And sets my makeup and just like brings it to life, stops it from looking powdery and makes it look like dewy and youthful. That's what we aim for, a nice glow. Let's get the party started. Woo! Here's the copter. Cool.
Anything.
It looks so good. That was actually quite nerve-wracking, and I'm not a nervous flyer, but I was a little bit like, ah! I love that everyone's come out to see the helicopter. It obviously doesn't happen very often.
Thank you so much. Oh, that is your
Thank you very much. Thank you. Cameron, thank you. Thank you. Hi. Hiya. Yay. Got my beer. True CC style. Oh, look at that little one on the ground though. I am feeling so grateful for this experience. Thank you so much, Kiehls. Honestly, this is like once in a lifetime. Absolutely ecstatic. Thank you very much. Ginger tea, not champagne. This is the game-changing product that is the ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask. Honestly, me and my mum used it last week and our skin the next day was amazing. Yay. Beautiful. Wow! We've got all of our gear. We've got our little, look at our little kit, it's so cute. We've got our little basket for the ginger leaves. We've got our little cutters to cut the ginger leaves. Our mask and our little gloves, and I've got my wellies, hats on. Look, it's so cute. About to go. So what one was it? This perfect one?
This one perfect. Yeah.
Oh.
How does it feel?
It feels liberating. I can't wait to get this on my skin. Put it in my little bag. Save it for later. Job done. So this is where they're preparing the land to plant the ginger leaf plants. Oh wow, that's a lot of ginger. We literally have an audience for our flight departure. How crazy. Hi!
Yeah, very nice photo. Yes. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Wow, safe to say today was incredible. I actually was so close to tears at so many points today, and that is the sign of an amazing experience. So I've just refreshed my makeup for dinner. I've got a bun head this evening because my hair's it's a little bit greasy and I can't really function still with my arm. I'm still getting lots of messages from you beauties asking me how I am and to stay strong with my arm, and it's pretty much still the same. It doesn't work, but I'm soldiering through it. And when I get back, actually the day after I get back, I've got all my scans and my tests, and they will evaluate what nerves, tendons and ligaments are all broken, and then we can really get the ball rolling with surgery dates, etc. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna meet the girls downstairs now. We're gonna have some cocktails before we head out to the streets. We're gonna have some street food. Hung, the global makeup artist and the ambassador for Kiehls, he is a legend, by the way. He's gonna show us the ropes on the Vietnamese streets and show us the best place for street food. We're out on the streets, guys. What are we gonna find tonight?
It's not open. It's not open.
We're like looking around on the streets, and there's some quite suspicious little places, I'm not gonna lie. We're like, if we can't get food, oh, if we can't get food, we can get a massage. Well, that was delightful. We literally just had a massage. We didn't go for dinner. We planned to go for dinner, and then we ended up having a full body Vietnamese massage. And now we're going to sleep. So tomorrow's a new day and we're going on a boat trip, so I'm really excited and I'm gonna get some rest and be refreshed for tomorrow. So guys, it is Friday. We have just arrived in Tam Cock, I think it's called, which is the place that we have come to get our boat from. We're on the boat. Jamie's safe, although she did fall into the boat. It was epic, it was epic. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. We are a little bit scared because we're very, very close to the water. It does feel like we could tip into it any second.
I think if anyone's going to pick on to be us,
it's gonna be us.
the two tallest girls maybe should have gone.
I know, we're like the tallest, longest.
Inches comes LBs.
It's funny that they row some of these boats with their feet, and she's got like a pure umbrella that she's holding up whilst rowing with her feet. Our lady's doing great. She's rowing with her hands, very strong. She must be at least 90 years old. She's a hero. Yes! Very strong. Cute, we just literally buy food from these little boats. Yeah, okay. Yeah, reunited with beer. We have our beers. We have a full-on feast here. And how cute is this? A little Vietnamese coffee. This is Skull Island. So guys, it looks like I made the bike ride. This is so amazing, and I can't believe that we're being taken to places that like Hollywood movies are shot. So I'm in the middle of Tam Cock, and I think I'm lost. Got lost on my bike. I can't find everyone. Baby girl. Yeah. About to go down for dinner. I survived the bike ride. Today was an incredible day, and it's our last dinner tonight, so we're going to say farewell to all of the global influencers and the Kiehls teams from across the world. About to get into the lift. Jamie, that is a picture if ever I saw one. No, they actually have branded Kiehls on them. They're amazing.
Ngồi im anh chụp cho anh ngại gì?
Oh, it's ever so bumpy. Look at Queen Kiehls. She just looks like royalty 24/7. So we're here at Grandma's, which is the epic name of the restaurant that we're at tonight. Hello. Oh wow, you've kitted it all out. Hey, how are you? This is amazing. Oh, that tuk-tuk ride was so fun as well. Nisha's working it. You actually do look like a smell.
You can put with the sauce. You can That is sauce. And it.
Very professional, very professional.
God, 2-star Michelin, I'd say. So this soup is sea cucumber and mushroom. I am seriously going to miss these girls. Thank you for the best time ever. They are literally the biggest legends. Good morning, good morning. Last night was hilarious. So it was our last night, like as a whole big group. And we ended up going to this like Vietnamese bar. And I did not know this, but Vietnamese people love EDM music. So it's so funny because normally when I go out, I like R&B and hip hop. So it was a whole new experience. It was literally like, songs would start off a little bit like cool, like Cardi B. This is red bottoms, this is bloody shoes, 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 boom, 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 literally. So it was a whole new experience. We loved it. We had the best time. I didn't get my camera or phone out once. You know it's been a good night when you don't even think to film a thing. But today we're just going to explore the city a bit more, get some bits and bobs, buy some souvenirs, and then say goodbye to the girls. They've got a flight this evening, like the other UK girls, and then tomorrow me and Nisha from Kiehls, we fly home. So we've actually got an extra day here. But yeah, let's go and explore the city. I mean, I'm not sure what's going on here, but the cars on the road are being driven by children. And they're all miniature. Look at this little thing. I'm obsessed. Oh, he wants his dog. Careful. I am feeling so fresh this morning. I just had a bath, washed my hair, and we're checking out now. So me and Nisha, the girls left last night, I was so sad. But me and Nisha are gonna go down, get some food, and then go and have a massage before we fly home. But it's been the most insane week. I just wanna say a huge thank you to Kiehls, huge thank you to you guys, because without you, none of this would be possible. I wouldn't be able to travel, try these products, see the world. I wish I could bring you all with me. I hope that you're enjoying these vlogs. I am very proud that I've kept this up, and there's so many more adventures to come. Just you wait. In 2 weeks I'm actually going to America, so I'm going to bring you along with me to that adventure. It's going to be Coachella, Vegas. I'm giving lots away here, but get excited because the adventures are not going to stop. Not gonna lie though, I cannot wait to get home, see Buzzy and cuddle my cats. Well, someone looks happy to see me. Little yawny, do a little yawn. The yawn button's just above her nose. Yay! I found my other little child as well. I missed them so much. I found my other child too. 24 hours later and I'm home. It feels good to be home, but it was the most insane trip. I just want to say thank you again, and please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. I upload these vlogs weekly, and I'm also getting some makeup tutorials up this week for you, and that's a promise, as well as my makeup collection coming soon. But yeah, can't wait to see you on the next one. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.